This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on X, formerly known as Twitter. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into X. To enable or disable dark mode, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the left side pane here, down to where it says More. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings and Privacy. I'm going to click on Settings and Privacy. Now on the center pane here, I'm going to go down to where it says Accessibility, Display, and Languages. I'm going to click on that. Then on the right side pane, I'm going to go to the one that says Display, and I'm going to click on Display. And right down here, your background. It gives you default, which is light mode, or lights out. Down below that, use system settings. There's a toggle. If you want to use your system settings, you would toggle this on. If not, you toggle it off. You can choose light mode or lights out. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on Twitter. Thanks for watching.